So how can you pause applications on the iPhone? And let's get started. If you're new on the Foxtecc YouTube channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So pausing the apps might mean more things, so let me cover everything. First of all, inside of the screen time section, you can find the app limits. And this is a setting which lets you set up a time window for selected application. For example, you might choose only to be able to use certain social media apps, for example, for like 10 minutes per day. And after you run out of the time, it will not let you use it unless you decide to ignore the limit, right? But you can also set up like passcode, right? So these are all of the things which you can do in here. It's very useful to like temporarily pause the application or set up the limits. Or the other approach would be to set up a downtime. So downtime is like a period of time where you don't want to use basically none of the apps except for a few exceptions, right? So you can enable the downtime in here. And the apps that you can decide to use are part of the always allowed. So in here, you get to decide, for example, that you can only use like the phone app and messages, and that's it, right? And everything else will be blocked during the downtime period, which can either be like scheduled or turn on automatically, right? But this is another method of pausing all of the apps on iPhone for a period of time and not letting you use anything else, basically. So that's how you can use it. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Let me know if it worked, but if it did, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.